Well, today I'm going to talk about XTAR SN4 multi-charger. Looks intense, isn't it? Hello and welcome with another product review, and this time it's coming from XTAR company. Thanks XTAR for sending me this product, and to tell the truth, it's the first time for me to make a review for a product that I really need and love the design as well. By SN4 you can charge different types of batteries like Sony, Canon, Nikon and more. You can charge up to 4 batteries at once. This guy can come in 2 packaging style. This one is a small style and this one is a huge one. It depends on your purchase order, and my usual advice: before you open the box, don't forget to check the anti-fake scratch sticker to make sure it's authentic or original product. The first part here is the XTAR 45 watts PD or power delivery adapter. It has a US style plug, but I believe here it's supplied with a UK adapter as well, so you can use it in different countries. And here is a charging plate for FZ100, and I'll explain every part in details later. The main part here connected to the Sony NP battery charging plate. And here is a E6, I believe, for Canon cameras batteries. Every plate can take 2 batteries. And here is a USB wire, type C to type C. The length is nearly 80 centimeters. And here is a last charging plate for FW50, I believe it's for Sony cameras. And finally, we'll find the manual. Now I will focus on every part, starting by the main or the brain of the charger. On the side we have the input port and plate lock key, and you will find it on the other side as well. On the bottom there is a big ventilation grid, and on the top we have 4 level charging indicators with a sign showing you the charging current, if 2 amp or 3 amp. From this side we can attach the first charging plate, and from the other side, as you can see, here is a plate charging cover. We can take it out by the lock key. And now I will attach the first charging plate this way, and then you will hear the click from the lock key. Let's add the second charging plate the same way. And now we can charge 4 batteries at once. I can change the charging plate for another one, as example for Canon batteries. Or I can just charge with 1 plate and cover the other side. The charger can really hold the battery in place in case you charge while traveling around by a power bank inside your bag. XTAR guaranteed that SN4 can charge 4 times faster than the regular one, And as you can see here, it can charge Sony FW50 and Canon LPE17 batteries to 100% approximately in 1 hour. I will connect the PD adapter to the charger to show you the real-time charging amp. I will connect the Sony f9700 battery and count how many seconds it will take to recognize its charging amp. The SN4 can do 3 amp charging current if I connect only one battery, and 2 amp when I connect 2 batteries only. Usually it takes 25 seconds to give the right current amp for the first battery inserted, which is good in my opinion. I will add the same battery type now to do the same count. As you noticed, the charging current for the first inserted battery changed from 3 amp to 2 amp, as I said before that the charger can give 3 amp when only one battery connected. The second battery can take up to 19 seconds to be recognized. I will add the third and the fourth battery. They are Sony FW50, and here the charger will charge under 2 amp, starting from half amp to 1 amp only, for all connected batteries depending on each battery charging current design. The FW50 battery designed to be charged up to 1 amp by factory. And when I remove some batteries, the SN4 automatically will readjust the charging current for the remaining batteries. If you like this product, I will leave the link down below, and if you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment, tell me your opinion about XTAR SN4, and see you in another video with another review. Bye bye.